In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a song from a playlist on Spotify. By the end, you'll know the standard way to edit a playlist and a quick alternative for one-off removals. This walkthrough is designed for the Spotify mobile app, and the buttons may look slightly different on iPhone and Android, but the process is the same. Also, removing a track from a playlist does not delete it from your account or your saved music. It only takes it out of that specific playlist, and you can always add it back later. Start by opening the Spotify app. From the bottom of the screen, go to your library so you can see all of your playlists. Open the playlist you want to edit. At the top of the playlist, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. Tap those dots, then choose Edit Playlist or simply Edit, depending on your device and app version. You'll now see a list of the songs with a small minus icon next to each one. Find the song you want to remove and tap the minus icon right beside it. A confirmation will appear. Tap remove or confirm when prompted. Your change is saved right away and the song disappears from the playlist. If you need to clean up several tracks, just continue tapping the minus icon for each one, then exit editing when you're done. There's also a faster method when you only want to remove a single song. Open the playlist, scroll to the track you want to take out, and tap the three dots directly next to that song. From the menu that appears, select Remove from this playlist. That's it, the track is immediately removed without entering full edit mode. This is ideal for quick tidy-ups as you listen. A few tips to keep things smooth if you don't see the edit option or the minus icons. Make sure you're viewing one of your own playlists or a playlist you have permission to edit. Some playlists, like editorial or public playlists you don't own, can't be modified. If the three-dot menus look different on your device, they will still contain edit or remove options in a similar spot. And if you change your mind after removing a track, you can always search for that song and add it back to the playlist later. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.